We all want a faster car, but performance upgrades can get insanely expensive. People think you need a turbocharger, a supercharger, or a complete engine swap to feel a real difference. But what if I told you there are ways to make your car faster without spending thousands of dollars? And I'm not talking about useless gimmicks or cheap mods that do nothing. I mean real, practical changes that actually improve acceleration, throttle response, and power, some of which are completely free. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to unlock hidden speed without breaking the bank. Maintenance, restoring lost power. Before we even talk about upgrades, let's get one thing straight. Your car is probably not making as much power as it should be. Engines lose efficiency over time. The more miles you rack up, the more things like dirty oil, clogged filters, and worn-out spark plugs rob your engine of performance. But with some basic maintenance, you can restore lost horsepower and torque. Change your engine oil to a high-quality synthetic. Old, dirty oil creates friction and heat, slowing your engine down. Synthetic oil reduces friction and keeps your engine running cooler, allowing for smoother acceleration. Clean or replace your air filter. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, making your engine work harder. Replacing it with a performance air filter, like K&N or AEM, can improve throttle response and even fuel efficiency. Use a fuel system cleaner. Over time, carbon buildup clogs your fuel injectors, reducing power. Adding a fuel system cleaner like Techron or Seafoam helps clean deposits and restore lost throttle response. Upgrade to high-performance spark plugs. Old spark plugs cause weak combustion, leading to sluggish acceleration. Upgrading to iridium or platinum spark plugs ensures a stronger spark, improving engine performance. Reduce weight, the cheapest way to go faster. One of the simplest and most effective ways to make your car faster is to reduce unnecessary weight. Think of it like this. Every extra pound your car carries is something your engine has to work harder to move. A good rule of thumb is that removing 100 pounds can be equivalent to adding 10 horsepower. That may not sound like much, but in a real-world driving scenario, a lighter car accelerates faster, handles better, and even stops quicker. How to reduce weight without spending a dime. Declutter your car. Most people don't realize how much extra weight they're carrying around. That gym bag you left in the trunk, the old tools under the back seat, extra junk in your glove box, it all adds up. If you don't need it for your daily drive, get rid of it. Less weight means faster acceleration and better fuel efficiency. Remove the spare tire if it's safe to do so. If you mostly drive in the city and aren't far from roadside assistance, a spare tire might not be necessary. Instead, you can carry a tire repair kit or a can of Fix-A-Flat. This alone can save 30 to 50 pounds. Swap out heavy stock seats. Factory seats are built for comfort, not for performance. They often have metal frames, motors for adjustments, and extra padding, all of which add weight. Lightweight racing seats can cut up to 50 pounds per seat while also improving the driving experience. Affordable weight reduction upgrades. If you're willing to invest a little, certain modifications can further reduce weight. Lightweight alloy or forged wheels. Standard steel wheels are incredibly heavy. Switching to lightweight alloy or forged wheels reduces rotational mass, making your car feel much quicker off the line. Lightweight battery. A traditional car battery weighs around 40 pounds, while a lightweight lithium battery can weigh as little as 10 pounds. Carbon fiber or fiberglass body panels. Replacing heavy hood and trunk panels with carbon fiber or fiberglass alternatives can shed serious weight without sacrificing strength. Reducing weight isn't just about going faster. It also improves handling, braking, and fuel economy. It's a win-win. Improve aerodynamics, reduce drag, go faster. Speed isn't just about raw horsepower. Your car is constantly pushing through the air, and the more aerodynamic it is, the easier it moves forward. Think of it like riding a bicycle against strong wind. The harder the wind pushes back, the harder you have to pedal. How to improve aerodynamics for free. Keep windows closed at high speeds. Ever notice how your car feels like it's dragging when the windows are open? That's because open windows create air turbulence, increasing resistance and slowing you down. Remove roof racks and unnecessary spoilers. Roof racks, bike carriers, and even large aftermarket spoilers can add significant drag. Unless you actively use them, taking them off will make your car slice through the air more efficiently. Lower your car, if possible. Cars that sit lower to the ground experience less air resistance, improving both speed and stability. Some vehicles allow for adjustable suspension, so if you have the option, lowering your car slightly can improve aerodynamics. Affordable aerodynamic upgrades. Install a front splitter. A front splitter helps reduce lift and forces the car to stay planted at high speeds. Add a rear diffuser. A rear diffuser helps smooth out airflow underneath the car, reducing drag and improving high-speed stability. Even small aerodynamic tweaks can make a noticeable difference in how your car performs at higher speeds. Upgrade your tires. More grip equals faster acceleration. What's the point of having more horsepower if your tires can't grip the road? Your tires are the only thing connecting your car to the pavement, so upgrading them can drastically improve acceleration, handling, and braking. Best tire upgrades for more speed. Use high-performance summer tires. If you live in a warm climate, summer tires provide better grip than all-season tires, reducing wheel spin and improving acceleration. Increase tire pressure, but don't overinflate. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, making your car slower. Properly inflating them reduces drag and improves efficiency. Switch to lightweight wheels. Heavier wheels require more power to move. Lightweight wheels reduce rotational weight, making the car feel quicker and more responsive. Upgrading your tires is one of the best bang-for-your-buck performance improvements you can make. Improve airflow, intake, and exhaust mods that work. Your engine is basically an air pump. The more efficiently it can move air in and out, the more power it can produce. Cold air intake, CAI. Does it work? A cold air intake system moves the air filter to a better position, allowing your engine to pull in cooler, denser air. Cooler air burns more efficiently, increasing power output. A good CAI can improve throttle response and add 5 to 15 horsepower, depending on the vehicle. It also improves engine sound, giving your car a deeper, sportier growl. Upgrading the exhaust system. Most stock exhaust systems are restrictive because manufacturers prioritize noise reduction over performance. Upgrading to a high-flow catback exhaust can improve throttle response, make your car sound more aggressive, increase horsepower, especially at high RPMs. For even better gains, upgrading the exhaust headers and catalytic converter further reduces back pressure, letting your engine breathe more freely. Tuning your ECU, unlock hidden horsepower. Your car's engine control unit, ECU, acts as its brain, managing everything from fuel injection to ignition timing. Most modern vehicles are intentionally detuned from the factory to comply with emissions regulations, fuel efficiency targets, and longevity concerns. This means there's often untapped potential hiding within your engine, just waiting to be unlocked. A professional ECU tune, also known as a remap, can increase horsepower and torque. By adjusting the air-fuel ratio, ignition timing, and boost pressure for turbocharged engines, a tune can extract more power from your engine without physical modifications. Improve throttle response. Factory ECUs often have a slight delay in throttle input to make acceleration smoother and more fuel efficient. A performance tune removes this lag, making your car feel significantly more responsive. Remove top speed limiters. Many manufacturers cap the top speed of their vehicles electronically. A tune can eliminate these restrictions, allowing your car to reach its full potential. Optimize gear shifts for automatics. Some ECU remaps adjust shift points in automatic and dual-clutch transmissions, allowing for faster, sportier shifts. For turbocharged cars, ECU tuning offers some of the biggest performance gains. Since turbo boost levels are controlled electronically, a simple remap can increase boost pressure, unlocking an extra 50 to 100 horsepower without changing a single mechanical component. Things to consider before tuning. Some manufacturers can detect ECU modifications, which may void your warranty. A poorly tuned ECU can cause reliability issues, so always choose a reputable tuner or a well-reviewed plug-and-play tuning module. If you're modifying other parts of your engine, intake, exhaust, turbo upgrades, a custom tune ensures all components work together efficiently. An ECU tune is one of the best bang-for-your-buck performance upgrades, offering significant power gains without needing expensive hardware changes. Improve your driving technique. Go faster without mods. Even without modifications, the way you drive can make your car feel faster and more responsive. How to improve your driving for more speed? Use manual or sport mode if available. Keeping your car in the right power band means better acceleration. Shift at the right RPM. Shifting too early means you're losing power. Shifting too late wastes time. Learn your engine's sweet spot and shift accordingly. Launch properly from a stop. Instead of slamming the gas, ease into the throttle to prevent wheel spin and get the best possible traction. Better driving technique can make a bigger difference than some performance mods. Speed isn't just about raw horsepower. It's about efficiency, grip, and how well your car moves through the air. You don't need to spend thousands on a turbo or engine swap to feel a real difference. With the right combination of weight reduction, aerodynamics, better tires, improved airflow, and smart tuning, you can unlock hidden speed without breaking the bank. Which of these upgrades are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments.